Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the buildings located in Long Island City. It's called the Hayden LIC. And instead of looking at my face during this recording, you will be looking at the gorgeous view that you get from the Hayden. The Hayden LIC is an apartment complex that consists of two buildings, East and West. East Wing is a 15-floor building and West is 51-floor building. The two buildings are connected by the extra-large lobby with the friendly front desk staff. The building is about 800 units and was opened less than 2 years ago. The pricing in this building are as following. The studios are 2,700 and up. One-bedroom units are 3,500 and up. Two-bedroom apartments are 4,500 and up. Currently, the building has a special of 1 month free on 13 months lease, which is a great deal. Also, the building is offering 1 year of free TV and internet service through RCN network, which is what I learned is a great service, as if you call customer service, the wait is very short and the customer service seems to be located in the United States, meaning it's easy to understand. There is no broker fee to rent an apartment in this building. However, as any other buildings in New York, this building requires to make 45 times rent or to have a guarantor that is making at least 80 times rent or a guaranteeing agency. The building requires to move in 1 month's security deposit and first month's rent. The building is full of amenities. The amenities include duplex gym, full-size basketball court, yoga studio, a rooftop with great lawn, and a movie screen. There is a movie currently shown twice a week on Thursday and Sunday. There are also tanning beds on that rooftop, as well as barbecue grills. The building also has a media room, a lounge, a library, playroom. The building also has a coffee bar, dog grooming station, bike storage. As for the units, there is washer and dryer in every unit, as well as extra large laundry room in the building. Each unit has a dishwasher, a microwave. The building also has valet service. There is a parking in the building for an extra fee, or there is a street parking around the building. The building also has a storage, and last time I checked, the price was $70 per unit, which is relatively inexpensive compared to any other storage. And it is convenient as you don't have to leave the building to visit your stuff. There is a rooftop with a great Manhattan views, and that's where I'm recording this video right now, and you're looking at Manhattan as you're listening. There is an easy application process. This building is using paperless lease signing, to where they email you your lease agreement, which is around 65 pages, and you just read it through and initial not leaving your apartment. This building is also stabilized rent building, meaning that your rental increase year over year will be somewhere between 0 and approximately no more than 2%. Some units in this building come with balcony. There is also great maintenance staff that respond quickly to all your requests. In my experience, and I've been here for about a year, maintenance guys come to you to fix all your problems within a few hours, and for sure within less than 24 hours. You will get an electronic communication with the building staff as well as other residents within the building. There is an online rent payment system to where you can make a payment for your unit either from your bank account or by using a credit card. But with a credit card, there is a fee applies to your payment. The building also has internal dashboard marketplace where you can advertise the items you would like to sell or services you would like to offer. And by services I mean such as personal training or any other services you wish to provide. There is an easy moving process by reserving back elevator, and there is no hassle moving truck parking in a parking area inside of the Hayden by the back elevator. When it comes to the area, there is a food seller supermarket directly across the street from the building. There is a coffee shop inside of the building. There is Xi'an food to be open soon in the building, as well as a pharmacy coming up soon. Within a block walking distance, you will find an awesome ice cream shop, speakeasy cocktail bar called Dutch Kill, sushi restaurant, and a luxury steakhouse. To get to the public transportation, you have two options. It's either about 5 minutes walk to Queens Plaza or less than 2 minutes walk to Court Square 23rd Street, where you can catch 7, E, M, and G trains. It's about 15 minutes to the waterfront, Hunters Point Park, where you can catch a ferry to get to Manhattan, Williamsburg, or Astoria, and it only costs you $2.75 one way. There is a 15-minute walk to Yoga Room. There are 6 breweries walking distance from the Hayden. And you can watch my other video on Long Island City, where I'm talking about things to do in Long Island City, to give you more details on that. And there's also 10 minutes walk to a Bureaucracy Beer Garden. If you do have more questions about the Hayden, Long Island City, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for watching my Hayden LIC video. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.